Hi YouTube, this will just be a quick guide showing you how to install these JDM DRL lights. These aren't official ones, these are Japanese ones. Not Japanese ones, these are Chinese ones, that because the official ones are like 450 quid, these are like £50 I got off AliExpress, so yeah, it's not too bad to physically put them in, just on your sort the wiring, but actually getting them out, because these come out separately to this fog light bit, but it's actually the only video I've seen so far is where you have to take off the rear bumper to do it. I found a way how to not do that, but you might rip the inner arch liner, so that is a risk, but that might be just because it's quite cold now and plastic tends to break when it's cold. So first things first, take out these three pop rivets. I don't think these are official ones. On the other side it's uses Phillips to take these out. Okay, once those three are out, you've got two more underneath. These are big ones and they use the Phillips head. Or not. Why is this side different? Okay, it's about here. Might need to look into replacing these with some official ones. Yep. Anyway, those pop rivets out. Just peel this back a bit. Best thing to do is just grab this edge and just force it outside the bumper. Just be careful because it might rip the arch liner. There we go. There. And from here you can access this bit here. I can't show this directly, but I have the other one here. It's got 4 tabs on it, so what you want to do is put your hand into here and feel around for it to pinch these, and then you can pull them out. So I'll start from the bottom and go to the top. So I'm going to put my hand in here. I'm just going to feel around. Right now I'm trying to locate these 2 tabs, which I have, as you can see. Just push them out, got the bottom 2, now get the middle 2 out, and now I've got those 4 out. It should just, alright, there's 2 more at the top. Come on, I can see it. There we go. A little bit of force. That's now out. See? And I didn't rip it. Nice. Okay, next step is to get the light. Hands are filthy. You might want to clean it up, but I can't be bothered. So it comes with a nut. It normally comes in the bag. I just kind of put it on to keep it safe. There. You've got like a thin part and a thicker part, so it goes thin to thick. Just do the light, the thermal bit. Easiest way of, first thing you want to do is shove the wire through. This can be a little annoying to get in, but the easiest way I found to do it is to get it from the top first. And then just push it in. Might take a couple of tries. There we go. You'll know when it's fully in because it'll make that snap noise, but yeah, that's mainly in. Oh, I've marred it. Oh no. Okay, maybe I should have put some painter's tape on it. Oh no. Oh well. Anyway, next is the bolt. It's 8mm socket. Easiest way to do it is, once again, shove your hand into it, feel around for the, actually you can see it, look for the bolt, and just thread it on. Okay, next step is wiring. Now, how am I going to route this? Okay, so cable through there. We need to route it underneath that big black cable. Probably would be smart to take off the battery, but I am not very smart. Okay. Suppose we'll route it underneath the airbox. See, is this long enough? Oh, yes! Got it. Not very long though. But it's long enough. Yeah, you guys can't see it, but just feeling it out. And there we go. Nice click sound. That's in place. Okay. Next step, get these pop rivets soldered back in. Alright. That's the physical wiring. Now to connect to the in-car electronics. Oh, looks like I have spiders. Okay. Kevin's Vo's video on wiring up his headlights, he tapped into the fuse here. I will probably take out the battery. Yeah, so red is your power, white, yellow is ground. I don't know why it's yellow, it should be black. Chinese probably do it differently. Where can I ground it to? I'm going to grab a multimeter, see if I can use that. Black as the ground. Okay, next step, since we're working with electronics, you need to disconnect the negative terminal in the battery. This is too long. Just a terminal socket. I never do like this. Oh, the way. Come on. Just a couple of turns and then wiggle it off. Oh, there we go. Just put that to the side, make sure to turn the terminal. Next thing, I'm going to try and find a suitable negative. I think I can use a bolt on the fuse box, but I've got a multimeter just to check. Now, I do this. Yep, that bolt there can be used as a negative. I'll put the one up here. Yep, okay, that confirms it. Those bolts can be used as negative terminals. Battery's off. First step, fuse tap. Put these off Amazon. Just press this tab here. That comes off. I watched Kevin Vo's video. He puts it into here. As for the fuse to use, what does this use? It uses a 5 amp. Okay, and if you just put it into here. Yep. Now just Okay, ring terminals on, tighten that, screw this in, tighten this up. Okay, that's good. Next, power. I put heat shrink on that bolt actually. I think it might be smarter. Yeah, I'll do that. First I'll do this. First step, cut the wire. Let's do about here. Next, strip the cable. So, small end goes into here. Just prefer folding these in on itself because it makes it a bit thicker. More likely to hold. Oh, let's figure out which shape are you. 2, it is. Come on, out. Oh, that sort of worked. Seems solid enough. Okay, that's in. So tie this to the headlight lamp, but for now it looks fine. That's negative, that's positive. Alright, let's see if it turns on. Oh, let's plug in the negative lead, otherwise it won't turn on. That's all on. Let's see if this will turn on. Okay, lights on fine. Let's just mute the keys. Hey, they're on. That's on. Yes. Okay, now that confirmed that the lights do work, I've undone the battery again. I'm just gonna take this off and weatherproof it, because I'm not a fan of this being exposed like this. So, I'll put some heat shrink over it. Right, now let's find out which one of these will fit it. Okay, take 2. Let's see if this will work now. Yeah, that's fitting much better. That'll do. Okay, there we go. That's one done. Now, so I can't improve this one. And I don't want to use one or two. Well, this should never really be coming off, so let's just use one. Let's cover this entire thing. Okay. Next is to zip tie these cables, don't want them rattling about. Let's get some zip ties out, these came with it, the lights themselves. Right, let's just put that there. Don't need these, I think I can make do with one actually. Yeah, that looks about right. There, and one here. Okay, that's secure, and just for extra security, I'm just going to wrap these in tester tape as well. I can't find my scissors, so I'm using these. Don't at me. No kill like overkill. Yep. Where'd my tape go? Oh no. Where did I put my tape? Oh no. Oh. Go. And that's done. Okay. Don't like that. Never do. Go. Don't want those. Oh, I left my keys here. Someone could have just stolen my car. Okay. That's on. See if it's in there for a second. Fans are on. Lights are on. Nice.